Hello students, now we are going to start a new chapter, that is polynomial. So before proceeding, let's see what is the meaning of polynomial. As the name says, poly means many and nomials means terms. So that kind of algebraic expression in which there are many terms, that is known as polynomial. The expression can be in the form of an to the power xn plus an minus 1 to the power xn minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power an minus 2, so on till a0 x to the power 0. So this x to the power 0 means there would be a constant. So this is having many terms, n terms it is having. Therefore, this particular algebraic expression is known as polynomial. I hope this is clear, that the algebraic expression which is containing more term or many terms, that is known as polynomial. So first, if I say, depending on the terms now, let us see what we say the algebraic expression. If there is only one term in an expression, then that is known as monomial. Example could be simply x could be there, simply 2 could be there, this is a constant, x square could be there. These all are the examples of monomial. If any algebraic expression or any polynomial containing only two terms, then that is known as, if there are only two terms, then that is known as binomial. That is, examples we can see, if it is x plus 1. So it is having two terms, this x and 1. 2x square plus 4. Again, this is binomial. This entire 2x square is a single term and then 4 is another term. Likewise, if 3 terms are there, then trinomial. And if 4 terms are there, then quadrinomial, and so on. Quadrinomial and then so on. Now, this is based on the, this is the difference, we can say polynomials based on the terms. This is how we can define polynomials based on the terms. Now we will define the polynomials based on the degree. So before that, let's say what is the degree of any polynomial. As I told you, if I say 2x square plus x plus 1, this is one polynomial. Now what is the degree? From where the concept of degree has arisen. Degree is the highest power of the variable in that particular polynomial. Highest power of the variable. अब इसमें बेटा वेरिएबल क्या है? वेरिएबल इज x. Only one variable is there, that is x. x की यहाँ पे पावर 1 है और यहाँ पे 2 है. डिग्री क्या हो जाएगी? हाईएस्ट पावर. सो विच इज द हाईएस्ट पावर? 2. So 2 is the degree of this particular polynomial px. हम polynomial को कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? px. तो px की डिग्री क्या हो गई? 2. Another example you can see. y cube plus y5 plus 3y plus 2. Now what if I ask what is the degree? तो डिग्री इसमें हो जाएगी हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल. वेरिएबल है y और उसकी हाईएस्ट पावर जो हमें दिख रही है दैट इज 5. So 5 is the degree of this particular पॉलिनोमियल। ठीक है, डिग्री पता चल गया। तो हम जब डिग्री पता चल गया हमें, देन वी कम टू द टर्म कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल। नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल मीन्स ऐसा पॉलिनोमियल जिसमें सिर्फ कांस्टेंट टर्म, फॉर एग्जांपल ओनली 5 इज देयर, दिस इज अ कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल। ओनली 1 इज देयर, दैट इज अगेन अ कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल। तो बेटा कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री क्या हो जाएगी? What can be the degree of the constant polynomial? What you can say about that? We can see here 5 can always be written as 5x to the power 0. अगर वहाँ पे कोई वेरिएबल नहीं है, so we can consider that any variable with the power 0. तो यहाँ पे पावर क्या हो गई? 0. वेरिएबल की पावर क्या हो गई? कांस्टेंट की पावर नहीं देखेंगे आप, वेरिएबल की पावर क्या हो गई? 0. So degree of a constant polynomial is 0. Degree of a constant polynomial is 0. This is very important term. Likewise, if I say what is the degree of the zero polynomial, पहले तो ये देख ले कि zero polynomial होता क्या है। जैसा कि name is saying, zero polynomial means a polynomial which is having only one term, that is zero itself. एक ऐसा polynomial जिसका term है zero, one term is only there and that is zero. तो इस केस में बेटा zero polynomial की डिग्री क्या हो जाएगी? Some of you will say, मैम ऐसे ही लिख सकते हैं, 0 into x 0 तो 0 हो जाएगी। बट क्या हम 0 को अगर ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, तो क्या हम 0 को ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते? क्या हम 0 को ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते? लिख सकते हैं, बिल्कुल लिख सकते हैं। Therefore, इसकी कोई भी डेफिनेट डिग्री नहीं है। इट कैन बी एनी रियल नंबर। डिग्री ऑफ अ जीरो पॉलिनोमियल कैन बी द एनी रियल नंबर। सो देयर इज नो डेफिनेट डिग्री। यहाँ पे जीरो पॉलिनोमियल की कोई भी डेफिनेट डिग्री नहीं है, बिकॉज all real numbers can be considered as the degree of the zero polynomial. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Now, what are the linear polynomials? Linear polynomials means, now we were saying कि हम देखेंगे based on डिग्रीज, बेस्ड ऑन डिग्रीज पॉलिनोमियल्स के क्या क्या नेम होते हैं। तो फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल है आपका लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल। लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल इज अ पॉलिनोमियल, लीनियर मींस वन, जिसमें डिग्री क्या होगी? 1, दैट इज फॉर एग्जांपल 2x + 1, इसमें x की डिग्री क्या है? 1, सो दिस इज अ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल। लाइकवाइज इफ आई से y + 2, so this is a linear polynomial. Then second quadratic, इसके बाद आते हैं quadratic polynomial. Quadratic means जिसकी डिग्री हो जाती है 2. Quadratic polynomials are in which the degree is 2. तो सारे उस टाइप के polynomials जिनकी डिग्री हो जाती है 2, for example x² + 4, this is the quadratic polynomial. Then cubic polynomials in which the degree is 3. So y³ + y² + y. These kind of polynomial is known as cubic polynomial. I hope till here everything is clear to everyone. Now, if there are certain questions in which we can be asked for what is degree of the polynomial, so you can calculate that based on the highest power. What kind of polynomials are there? Based on the degree, If degree is 1, then that is linear. If degree is 2, then that is quadratic. If degree is 3, then that is cubic. Now, one more important thing, if the degree, if I would say power of variable should be a whole number. अगर आपके पॉलिनोमियल में जो वेरिएबल है उसकी पावर है होल नंबर, फॉर एग्जांपल x स्क्वायर प्लस 1, इसमें x की पावर क्या है 2, विच इज अ होल नंबर, then I can say this is a polynomial. Then I can say this is a polynomial. But if any of the case the degree is not whole number or it is any irrational number, fractions, negative powers, then it is not a polynomial. Then that is not a polynomial. So one question forms from this only. You have to identify which of the following are the polynomials and which are not the polynomial. तो जहां पे भी आपको डिग्री दिखेगी होल नंबर्स में या फिर सॉल्व करके डिग्री आएगी होल नंबर्स में, then that is a polynomial. If the degree is any other number other than the whole number, then that is not a polynomial. If I say x minus 2 plus 2, then this is not a polynomial. If I say x 1 by 2 plus 3, not a polynomial. I hope now this much is clear. So we can solve the question based on these. What are the polynomials and what are not the polynomials? Rest we will continue in our next lecture. Thank you.